Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix vampire crawlers game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check. If not, next is run the game as admin. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen automations, click on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still continues, again come back, uncheck, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to click on Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. Here is the game application. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just simply copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and after opening it, you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, now close this and now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates options. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Vampire Crawlers game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Vampire Crawlers game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Vampire Crawlers game crashing at startup, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.